starting with chapter 3 data handling. The next topic, find the mean. Okay, this is very important topic, mean, median and mode. After 7th standard you will come to this point in 9th standard. Okay, so you must know how to find the mean, median and mode. Now what is the mean? Mean means x bar, it is denoted by x bar. Okay, mean is denoted by x bar is equal to, what is the formula of this? Is sum of all observation. Okay, now I am writing the first formula upon total number of observation. Total number of observation. Okay, first write down the formula, then substitute the value. Okay, what will come here? 85 plus 76 plus 90. Okay, now 84 plus 39 plus 48. Okay, now 56 plus 81 plus 75. Okay, now I am correctly write down all the numbers. Write down all the numbers and count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers are here. Okay, then you have to add all these numbers. Okay, now for this you make the combination of three numbers very easily. Okay, now what will come here? 6 plus 5 is 11, carry 1, 16, 9, 25. Okay, now these three numbers. Okay, here I am doing the addition. 84 plus 39 plus 48, 12. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 4 is 21, carry 2, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 4 is 17. Okay, my next answer is also find out M. Now my third combination is 56, 95 and 81. Only one number is remain, so I can write down here 75. Okay, now what will come here? 11, 12, 12 plus 5 is 17, carry 1, 6, 10, 15, 15 plus 8, 23, 23 plus 7 is 30, 307. Okay, now I am writing all these three numbers already added here, 171. Okay, now what will come here? 9 will come here, 12 will come here. Now carry 1, 3 plus 2 is 5, 6, 7, 729. Okay, now this will be 729. Okay, upon 10 is given. Okay, I have already told you that when we divide by 10, put up the what decimal after one place. Okay, this is my answer. Mean is equal to 72.9 approximately. Okay, means this can be written as 73. Okay, approximately mean is 73. You understand? Find the mean. What is the formula for mean? It is denoted by x bar. Okay, sum of all observation upon total number of observation. You can add by pairing 3 or 4 numbers, so that easily you can add correctly. Then divide by 10, means how many numbers are there, you count and then divide, you will get the answer. Okay, now we are going to solve the second median topic. Okay, what is the median? Now in this there are the two steps. Okay, first step is arrange the data. Arrange data in ascending or descending order. Okay, then count the number. These are the steps. Count number. Here there are the two possibilities, even and odd. Okay, for even number there are the two terms, n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1 next term. Okay, I am writing here. Now for the odd there is only one formula, n plus 1 divided by 2th term. Okay. Now these steps you must follow in every problem. Okay. Now I am solving the first problem. Now I am arranging this one. Which one? Which number will come here? 29 is 34. Okay. Then what number will come? 37 will come. Then 41 will come here. Okay. 29, 34, 45 is there. Okay. Now which number is coming? 54 is coming. Okay. Now after 54 which is 70. Okay. How many? 3. And how many times 70 are coming? 1 and 2 times. Okay. Now how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3. This one number is missing here. Which number is missing? 3 is missing. Okay. Now I arrange this one. So now I count the number. So what is the value of n is 10. Okay. Now I know the formula. Means 10 by 2th term. Okay. Plus 10 by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. Okay. Now I am writing 10 upon 2 means 5th term. What is the 5th term of this data? Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what is this one? Now I am writing here. What will come here? 5 plus 4 is 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay. Divided by 2. What will come here? 2, 4, 8. Carry 1, 19, 2, 9, 18, 1, 0 is 5. 49.5 is the median of this. The problem number B. Okay. This is very easy one. Now what is the lowest number? Is 6. Okay. Then which number is there? 8 is there. Then 9. After 6, 8 and lowest 15 is there. Okay. One time. Then 15 is over. 16 is also one time. Means this. And then 18 will come here. Then 21 will come here. Then 22 will come here. Then 25 will come here. Now again here I will count the number. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 number is there. Means odd number. Okay. What is the formula for odd number? Is n plus 1 upon 2th term. Okay. Now median is equal to, I am writing here. Okay. Now 9 plus 1 is 10 upon 2. Okay. 3th term means 5th term will come the median. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. This is the 5th term means your answer is 16. Okay. If you want to make this very shortly, then there is also another method to find shortcutly, but in examination you want to write down this one by the formula method. Okay. But I am telling you the another method. Okay. Now arrange the data in the ascending order. Then cut this. 34 is cut with 31 will cut with this. Only 2 terms are there. Then write down these 2 terms. Okay. My answer is also this term. Get the answer. Okay. In this one, this will get cancelled with this. Okay. Now this will get cancelled with this. This will get cancelled with this. This will get cancelled with. Only one term is remaining. And this is my answer. This is the shortcut way to find the median of the given data. Okay. Now you come across this type of problem in 9th standard. Must know the formulas and apply for this. Now we are going to solve the 5th question. Find the mode. Mode means, what is the mode? Mode means the number having maximum frequency. Okay. Means the number which is occurring in the data maximum times. Okay. For a problem, I am writing how many times 12 are coming. 12 are coming for 2 times. Okay. Now which number is coming? 13 only one time. 14 how many times are coming? 1, 2 and 3 times are coming. Okay. Now 16 will coming only one time. Then 19 will come two times. Okay, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay, here 9 number are there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, now what is the maximum frequency of this? Is 3. Mode is equal to 14. Okay, the number having maximum frequency is called mode. Okay, now we are going to solve the B problem. Okay, here I am arranging the data. Means 32 how many times is coming? 32 is coming 2 times. Okay, now which number is coming? 34 is coming. 34 is only one time. Now 35 how many times? 1 2 times is coming. After 32 38 is there. Okay, how many times it is coming? One time is coming. 42 is coming. Okay, now 42 is how many times is there? Is only one time. Okay, now here 32 is only 2 times. 35 is also 2 times. Means the data in which some mistake is there. Okay, now 32. Okay, now I am increasing here. The frequency of 32 is more, therefore mode is equal to 32. Okay, maximum frequency. The number having the maximum frequency. Here you can write down number, here write down frequency. Here number, write down here frequency. And the number having maximum frequency is called the mode.